Conversation between Sarah and Jenny. Hey, Sarah. Long time no see. Hi, Jenny. I know, it's been ages. How have you been? I've been good, just super busy with work. How about you? Same here. Work has been hectic. I barely have time to relax these days. Tell me about it. I feel like all I do is work, sleep, and repeat. But I'm trying to make time for hobbies. Really? What hobbies? I've started jogging in the mornings. It's been a great way to clear my mind and stay fit. What about you? Any new hobbies? I actually joined a cooking class. It's been so much fun learning new recipes. Plus, now I can make more than just pasta. That sounds amazing. What's your favorite dish to cook so far? I'd say lasagna. It took a few tries, but now I think I've got it down. Yum, I'd love to try it sometime. I should probably learn to cook too. I've been eating too much takeout lately. We should do a dinner night. I can cook, and you can bring dessert or drinks. Sounds like a plan. Speaking of which, have you traveled anywhere recently? Yes, I went to the mountains last month. It was beautiful, and I took tons of photos. How about you? That sounds relaxing. I haven't gone anywhere recently, but I've been thinking about a beach trip. A beach trip sounds perfect. Let's make it happen. Absolutely. Let's plan it soon. Great. It was so nice catching up, Jenny. Same here, Sarah. Let's keep in touch. Definitely. See you soon.